How to get the check deposit option in Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can get the check deposit option on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically get the check deposit option on Cash App, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch Cash App and just make sure that you're signed into the account. Once you sign into your account, just tap on the home tab that you can find over here, and as you've done that, you'll find the check option here. Now if some of the account might not see this type of checks option over here, then you might need to just go ahead and then basically verify your Cash App account, and once you verify your Cash App account, you'll be able to enable mobile check deposits. Now when you tap on check, you can follow the on-screen instructions to basically get the check deposit option. This way you can get the check deposit option on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.